Hi folks on my YouTube channel. Yes, of course. Billy Bongers and Paul Foley. Both of you have asked me to do a video about two different subjects, and I have said though I'm taking them a couple of weeks off. Okay, so this is just a quick one, basically for both of you. I'm only taking a couple of weeks off YouTube, because obviously I want to, see me two cousins who I haven't seen in ages, spend time with them, stuff like that. And I would imagine me back to my YouTube videos around about bonfire night, really. I'm just having some time off, okay? And obviously I've replied in the comments to both years. It's not like I'm blank years. I mean, I'm alright and everything's sad. I'm just saying, like, right now, I'm just taking some time off, that's it. And that's all. It's not like I'm blanking anyone who comment on my videos or whatever on here on YouTube. I'm not like that. I will get back to people, okay? Alright folks, I'm gonna leave it at that and I'll talk to you pretty soon. Bye for now.